It's Wenzel again, and it's officially the weekend. It's Saturday, and nandito pa kami sa Coron for our island hopping Tour B. Day 3.
We have about the movie, like a Spider-Man, Batman, Superman, Aquaman, but here in Coron, we have a Boatman. Okay, so especially the captain, he's coming, Captain Jack Sparrow. You need to introduce yourself, where you're from, and especially what's your talent. It's in 59 seconds.
We're now on our way to our first destination, Siete Pecados.
Siete Pecados means 7 islands. And activity here is snorkeling. See a lot of fish, beautiful corals, sometimes you can see a sea turtle.
Tapos sa ilalim.
Okay.
Oh, ang ganda oh.
Mag-type ka. Pero tatanggalin mo. Ay, may boya si kuya oh. Tanggalin yung ano mo. Dami nga kuya, kape. Ganda. Okay na, ganda. Ganda kasi dito kasi malight yung mga corals.
Marami pang destination. Actually, for some reason, na-upgrade yung tour namin from Tour B to Super Ultimate Tour, which is combination siya ng Tour A and Tour B. Ang next destination namin is Kayangan Lake, pero hindi na kami pumunta sa mismong lake since sobrang daming tao yesterday and napuntahan na rin naman namin. Check mo na lang sa day 2 yung Kayangan Lake. So, ang ginawa namin, nagkayak na lang kami within the area and we decided na puntahan ulit yung Secret Lagoon.
Saluluyuan Lake. That local people dialect. It means the other side. Barcode Lake, we have a hiking again. So 20 steps going up, 20 steps going down.
Ma'am, tara ma'am. Dito tayo mag-pre-dive.
Ayun pa siya. Come to my hand.
Kasi ang iba rin na
Wala na.
The local name of the island, it's Alwawi Island.
Nanaan mo pa ako.
ang bait.
Wait, ang gawin mo.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Ano nga, kamu nag-vlog? Vlog?
Vloggeries.
Calmer now, I think.
Yeah, it was really choppy.
Sa kabila mo.
There's so many.
Video man to, sir.
This is a skeleton shipwreck.
Our next destination is CYC Beach. Pero nagsuggest yung guide namin na skip na lang namin siya para mas marami kaming time sa last destination, which is Twin Lagoon. Nag-agree naman lahat, and for us okay lang din since yesterday kasama na rin naman na siya sa tour, which is sa day 2, Tour A. Medyo crowded lang din sa CYC Beach since yun mostly yung last destination for Tour A, pero if gusto mo siya makita, check mo na lang yung video for day 2. Nandito na kami on our last stop sa Twin Lagoon. Papunta kami ngayon sa mismong lagoon, and since meron kaming kayak, mag-kayak kami papunta doon. If wala ka naman kayak rental, meron din siyang bridge na connecting from the boat papunta sa mismong lagoon. Tapos from there, pwede ka na mag-swimming papunta sa mismong small and big lagoon. Grabe, sobrang ganda, sobrang clear ng water, kitang-kita yung sea urchin sa ilalim, and ito rin yung maganda yung aerial shot kaso wala lang kaming drone. Right after namin magkayak sa Big Lagoon and mag-picture taking and chill-chill tsaka swimming sa Small Lagoon, dumaan na kami dito sa may shortcut pabalik sa boat. Ito na rin yung last namin na destination for the island hopping tour today. And so far, ito yung favorite ko na island hopping tour since ang daming nangyari, ang daming destination, ang daming swimming and diving, and sobrang ganda ng mga location or destination na pinuntahan namin today. And that's it. That's the end of the tour for today. And meron ulit kaming turon.
Cinematic mo.
Cinematic shot mode. Aba. Oh, God. Against the light effect ka pa. Ano?
Huwag ka maingay sa video.
Baby now? Start? Alright, it's not that dangerous. Sorry? It's not that dangerous.
Huh?
Aray ko, kumakusap yung video. Wait lang. Kaya ano lang.
Isang tao lang talaga. Wala kang pabigat doon? Thank you.
sa namin. Pagkabalik namin sa accommodation, nag-shower lang kami and then lumabas para maghanap ng food.
Anong laro? Dalawa?
Ang ganda rin ng timing namin kasi town fiesta dito sa Coron. Kaya sobrang daming street food, sobrang daming games, madaming activities na pwedeng gawin sa gabi. So ang ginawa namin, nag-food trip, tapos nanood ng basketball at volleyball. And then after, bumalik na ako ng accommodation. Sobrang nag-enjoy ako for our day 3 dito sa Coron. And if nag-enjoy ka rin watching this video, make sure to subscribe para hindi mo ma-miss ang day 4. That's it. See you on the weekend.